We work closely with Informa Connect Academy to deliver training courses on electronic document and records management. And again, the starting point with a lot of these courses is the legal challenges of information management. There are a number of established standards out there. Data Protection Act, GDPR that kicked in about 5 years ago, which is all about protecting an individual's right to the information held by, for example, some of the large internet companies out there. In an EDRM course, we tend to focus on the legalities of why you need information management, and once you've made that decision to go for an information management strategy, EDRM plays a key role in that. EDRM is a technology that's been around for some 45, 50 years now, and it was all kind of conceived all those years ago to make a dent in the use of paper. But of course, we live in the digital world now. Paper is not the only way of communicating, holding information. There's many different electronic file formats, and of course, social media information in recent years. All of that is a kind of universe of information that EDRM can actually help you with. The starting point must be a thorough analysis of your business needs, of your business process, of your users and how your users run the business, and then careful application of available technology, making sure that you can work with the technology and the technology can work with you over time to realize the full benefits, and not expect EDRM to solve all your problems on the very first day. I'm Dr. Vijay Magon. Been practicing deployment of electronic document and records management technology for best part of 25 to 30 years, working very closely with Informa Connect Academy to deliver training courses on document and records management. And I would welcome you to attend the next course so you can learn about how important EDRM is in the application of your business, in actually protecting your business and protecting the information assets in your business, and help you keep your CEO out of jail.